Last video we discussed about the HTML elements and attributes. Before going to see about the different HTML tags, so first you should know what is CSS, that is cascading style sheet. Because to create attractive website, you should know about the CSS, that is cascading style sheet. In this video, we are going to see about CSS. So after that, we can learn the HTML and also CSS by doing some or by creating some websites. The CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen. Actually, HTML elements are used to create the structure of our web page. Okay, that is different HTML tags that are used to create different elements on the web page. So this HTML element that is used to create the structure of our web page, that for creating each and every component of our web page, and CSS that is used to add the different styles to the HTML elements. So it is used to define styles for our web pages, including the design, layout, and variations in the display. So for the different devices and also according to different screen size. So HTML elements that is used to create the structure, basic structure of our web page, and CSS that is mainly used to add the different styles to the already created element using HTML. And the syntax for this CSS is, so that is the first part is selector. So and we are having the property and value. So this selector that is used to target the HTML element on the web page, and here this property that represent the type of style and its value. So this property and value that is separated by colon, and if you are adding the multiple values, that is actually separated by semicolon. That means if you are adding the multiple value, that is separated by semicolon, and all these components that is represented by the block using the curly brace. So for example, so if we are changing the background color of our body part, so we are choosing the selector component as body, that is our targeting location, and the property that is we are changing the background color, that is we are changing the body part of the HTML document as a light blue color. So the property colon its value. So this is a why. So we can apply the different styles to already created elements. So the body is one of the HTML element. So for that we are applying some styles using the CSS. And for targeting that element or specifying that element, we are using the selector. And the types of CSS. So the first one is inline style sheet. So here the inline style sheet. So we are adding the style as a property of the HTML element. So within the start tag of the element, we are adding the style as a property. And the second one is internal style sheet. So here we are place the style tag inside the header tag, and all the styles that is added within this style tag. So that is we are internally adding the styles using the style tag. Okay, and the third one, external style sheet. So here we are creating the external file, and that only have the different styles, that is key value pair, and that is stored with the extension that is .css. So after that we can include that file in our HTML using the link tag. So here this is a link tag that is used to link the external CSS with our HTML file. So this is the three way we can use the style sheet in a HTML document. Okay, and we can detailedly see the HTML and also CSS by creating the simple website.